All right, today we are continuing on with qualitative versus quantitative and kind of seeing how we would use it in real life, and we're going to solve a problem with it. So I'm going to click this link right here, which is a video called Nana's Chocolate Milk. We're going to watch the video together real quick. So what they should have done was put 1 cup of milk and 4 scoops of chocolate. What the person did do was put 1 cup of milk and 5 scoops of chocolate on accident. Okay, but that's not how Nana likes her chocolate milk. Okay, so we're going to use that information in our problem. So the qualitative observations. Remember, qualitative are things that we notice. So the milk is white. Chocolate is brown. Milk is usually cold, right? In a glass cup. What else can we say about it? He's mixing it. Okay, our quantitative observations are things that have to do with numbers. So how much milk did he put in? How much chocolate did he put in? Things like that. Okay, so there's 1 cup of milk. There is 4 scoops. And then in the second one, there's 1 cup of milk. And there is 5 scoops of chocolate. Okay, so those are our things that have to do with numbers. Okay, now it's asking how could we solve Nana's chocolate milk problem? There is multiple solutions. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, dumping it out and starting again is not a solution. Okay, we are not going to dump it out and we are not going to start over. Do not tell me that is a solution. Okay, so we're thinking of ways that we could do this. So one thing we could do, we want it to be equal to 1 cup of milk and 4 scoops of chocolate. Okay, so 1 cup and 4 scoops. We know that it has to be more than 4 scoops because we already have 5 scoops. We already went over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply these by 2. So I'm going to say times 2. So that means I would have 2 cups of milk. And if I do times 2, I would have 8 scoops of chocolate. So that is one solution. So if we went with that solution, we would add 1 cup of milk and we already have 5 scoops of chocolate, so we only need to add 3 more scoops of chocolate. Okay, that is one solution you could have had. Okay, you could also, another would be to add 2 cups of milk. So we'd have 3 cups total, and 4 times 3 is 12, and we already have 5, and so 7 cups of chocolate. Okay, so you guys are going to do the same thing with another problem. So we have a problem that's called Nana's paint mix-up. It's part of the discussion question for today, and you guys are going to go answer that question. All right.